up, y'all? It's your girl Riquel Angela, and I am finally back with another YouTube video. Y'all, this video is gonna be how I achieve this look. This is my first time attempting or doing anything knotless. These are jumbo knotless braids. I have maybe about no more than 20 braids in my head. I didn't want too little and I didn't want too much. So this is what I decided to come up with. I even curled the ends a little bit and I wanted to pull it up in this cute little pony for you guys for the video so y'all can see. I had like an experience creating this look, but I will show you all in this video. If you're new to my channel, welcome in. Thank you guys so much for tuning into my video, and shout out to all of my subscribers, even my new subscribers. I see y'all subscribing to my channel. I appreciate all the love. Thank you guys so much. Now watch this video and let me show you guys how I achieved this look, and it's also going to include some of my mistakes. Listen, nobody is perfect. I wanted to show you guys like the mistakes that I made and how I ended up even coming up with this look. Okay, so I hope y'all like this video. Stay tuned for some makeup tutorials because I've been having some fun with makeup and my routine kind of changes constantly. So I want to show you guys, what I'm doing. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and I'll see you in my next one.
Okay, y'all, so I went ahead and the night before I just parted my hair in the areas that I want my braids done and made these twists so it could be easier just to get the job done. I'll be using Jam and the Edge Effect Edge Control, and I am also using X-Pression's pre-stretch hair. It's their African collection and it's 58 inches long. And I went ahead and sectioned out the hair by using this hanger that I got from my old retail job. Look, we gotta make it work. I found this way so much easier by parting and sectioning my hair off the day before, and I just added some edge control at the roots of my hair, and then at the ends of my hair I applied Jam. And so I'm just braiding my hair like you would normally braid. So I would braid it a few times, and then I went and I grabbed some hair and I applied it like right up under where I was braiding. So it's basically just a continuation of where I was braiding. And so I added some more, and you want to do it under versus on top. So under in the areas that you're braiding, and just keep braiding it. I hope I'm explaining this well. And then I think I did like 3 times. I added 3 pieces of hair. I also wanted to let you guys know that I'm a under braider, if that makes any sense. When I braid under versus on top. So that's just usually how I braid. But I wanted to turn around and look and see what I was doing because I couldn't really see. So look, my face told it all, like, okay, I think I'm doing a little something something. When I'm also braiding my hair, I like to make sure that I'm adding like the Jam to the strands of my hair while I'm braiding, so it kind of slicks down, because having kinky curly hair, it can get frizzy and all that. So I like to apply Jam as I braid down. Okay, so now on this other section, I'm just braiding my hair again. Remember to apply your edge control and to use Jam. I love the Edge Effect Edge Control. I use the number 5. I think this one is like a coconut scent, but I just like the hold that it gives. Like, my hair looks kind of sleek with this, so I'm just braiding it a few times, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add my hair. So like I said, I think I said this earlier, but I added 3 strands of hair. So once you add the hair underneath in the direction that you're braiding, braid it a few times, and then go ahead and add that next strand in, and I did 3 of them. And don't forget to apply Jam while you're braiding your hair down. So that's what I was doing as I just started plaiting it down. One thing that I like to do when I'm doing my hair is I love to watch a TV show. So I had a show on my iPad and I was just watching it while I was braiding. So that kind of like gets me going. Okay, y'all, this is the big reveal. So I only did those first 5 braids and they're huge. And I was like, they're too big. So after a few hours, obviously, I just decided just to take them out and I redid them. So I did the whole back, and instead of doing the 3 strands like I did, I just did 2 strands of hair, and that's what I ended up coming up to. So that's the back side, and this is just me working on the front. And like I said, I did 2 strands this time instead of 3. So that was like my big mistake. It's not a mistake, but I just didn't want them as huge as they were. I wanted them just a little bit smaller, and I like the size that I did. Came out perfect. So this is how I tied my ends. I just took a few strands of hair at the end, and I was trying to straighten that all out. And I'm gonna wrap it around like the very end of my braid. Just wrap it and then hook it through and loop. I don't know if y'all have ever done like that one hook loop type thing. I don't know how to explain it, but that's what I did, and I pulled it tight, and that's what my ends look like. Ladies, make sure you are laying your hair down with this edge control, and then use the jam for your end so that way it has like a nice hold while you're braiding. So once I got like the hang of this technique, it just became easier. I just went in, y'all. I just started going in on my hair. And I think the front section, which was the next day, I think this took me maybe like an hour and a half to do, I believe 10 braids, which was not that bad at all. And remember to knot the ends of your hair. Once you're at the bottom of that braid, knot it and you're good to go. Your girl finished her hair, y'all. I did it for my first time. I finished braiding them down. I'm like, yes. I like the size that I did. So I wanted to curl my ends, and I'm using some perm rods from the hair store. I decided to go with this size. I cannot remember the size that it is, but I found it at the beauty supply store. And so I'm just wrapping it around and hooking it, and then I'm going to put it in some hot water. So this is the big reveal, y'all. You know I had to beat my face a little bit, put on this cute little outfit to say, hey y'all, look at this. So I curled my ends a little bit, and I think it turned out pretty good for my first time. I can't wait to try this again. I liked it a lot. I hope you guys can try to do it yourself. Don't give up, just try it out and see how it goes. Thank you guys for watching my video, and I'll see y'all in my next one.